You're a heartache, I can feel it in my system. Like a heartache, how she work it, workaholic. How she work it, workaholic. How she work it, workaholic. Workaholic, and you know that you gon' get it, you gon' stack it. You gon' get it, you gon' stack it, yeah. You gon' get it, and you gon' stack it. Stack it when you throw the ones that you want. You gon' get it, and you gon' stack it. You gon' get it, and you gon' stack it, yeah. You gon' get it, and you gon' stack it. Stack it when you throw the ones that you want.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm giving you all a glimpse of what I do on Sundays to prepare myself for the week ahead. Life has been pretty hectic lately and I find there's peace and balance in getting myself and my home together before the start of a new week. Now every Sunday is a little bit different, so this is just one of the many to come. I'll try not to talk too much throughout this, but definitely enjoy the music, catch a vibe, and maybe find some much needed motivation for yourself. So as you guys can see, we are starting in the master, and the first thing I like to do is make my bed in the mornings. It just really gives me a sense of calm and it helps me to be a bit more productive throughout the day, and it reduces some stress, believe it or not. It's important for me to feel that everything's in place so that my mind can be a bit more organized and consequently have a more organized life, if you will. So if you're not someone who makes your bed on a daily, I highly encourage it because it does help. So a little tidbit, when it comes to putting on my pillowcases a lot faster, although this clip is sped up, a good trick or hack would be to turn the pillowcase inside out first, then grab your pillow and pull it upwards. So I like to flip it inside out, as you can see here, put my hands through, grab my pillow, and then pull it down. So much quicker, so much easier, and definitely save some time.
I need you in the morning.
yeah. I find the why I gave you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is of the essence. I try to teach you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I made it mess up her mind, and I made it make you free of the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I
Just an FYI, this is the vacuum that I got off of Amazon. It is in my Amazon finds for your home. I will link the video down below, but this is it in action, and it actually has multiple different pieces that you could use with it. This is just one of the 3 that it does come with, and obviously, as you guys can see from the handle in the front, you can adjust the height accordingly. Unfortunately though, this is like how tall it is, if you will, but it's still great. I do love it for my carpets because I don't have much carpet, but I just thought I'd mention that just in case any of you guys have not seen the Amazon video here on my channel.
I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all you, give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all. Make I give you all you need, every touch you need, give you all, make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Boy, you know you make me float.
So as you guys can see, we are now in the master bathroom. Now I'm going to be honest with you guys, I cleaned up my bathroom earlier in the week, so it's not as dirty as it probably would be if I would have not touched it. So I'm just doing a light touch up, if you will. I'm not deep cleaning, as I like to say. So the tub and the shower have already been cleaned and they don't really need anything major. So I'm just taking some of my favorite spray. It smells so good. And I'm just wiping down the counters and doing a little sweeping and just some basic maintenance, if you will, just to upkeep what's already been done.
got that dumb truth. You know I got my 9 all the time. A nigga run up, he gon' die. Yo, I'm out of touch. I put that bitch on my leo. I get the money, no
I be so sick, you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself, when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no static with you, you know you my plug. And I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Baby, you're missing you. Wish it was different than what it was. I've been out, baby. Lost in the line first. Lost in no finding us. I've been out, baby. And if you wonder if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wanted it, I hate you. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your body. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That mean no permission. Missionary getting boring. Keep his positions. Hard to say your soul, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been out, baby. Every reminiscence. Every other missing you. Wish it was different than what it was. I've been out, baby. Lost in the line first. Lost in no finding us. I've been out, baby. If you wonder if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, city of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, yeah. But I was down out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right. Pretty ass, billing ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a snake ass flow. Catch up in around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm women for the kitty, got my phone got down. Do it for my niggas in the coast right there. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they running for the boy right now. Goddamn, for the time of the year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Bitch, you wanna fuck me now. Bitch, you wanna love me down. Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Freaking nigga, show me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Push it on a pussy like a button. Keep more time for your still getting rowdy in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace and Southeast. Got her clapping to this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my She said, but I live in the hills. It's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. The traffic when like 11's bad bitch. And she's Spanish. I heard I got a muscle. We get nasty, I'm her daddy. She know a nigga ain't average. Ain't nothing wrong with big acid. Bitch, turn around, let's make magic.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, you're not a hiding girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You just a fan. You don't hold ring. No, 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 no. Don't hold no ring.
So I have returned from running errands, and I have to say I did go a little later this time. But now I'm just showing you guys a couple of the items that I picked up. Every Sunday I like to make a trip to the grocery store and get the things that are much needed, whether it be food or other essential items. And of course, I cannot forget flowers. I'm obsessed with flowers, especially eucalyptus in the shower, so I made sure to restock on that and just putting everything up. Again, it was very late at this point, so I tried to do it as quickly as possible. And this is pretty much my last task of the day.
But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. See me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please.
Okay, you need to get done, 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 done at work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had it to me, and I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, 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 done. If you come on, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to hit me off. Yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You could pick a time and a place. You spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work. It's me, I feel work, 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 work. It's me doing that, 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 that. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Then you rock out, la, 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 la. When you get from my dirt, 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 dirt. Then you rock out, la, 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 la. When you get from my dirt, 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 dirt.
Alright you guys, so we've made it to the end of today's video. I want to thank you all for watching if you've watched thus far. Again, this is just what I do on a Sunday. There are many different ways that I conduct myself on a Sunday. This is just one of the bunch. Look forward to many more videos just like this one. Much more content coming your way. So if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free, doesn't cost a thing. And I will catch all of you in my next video.